What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this rock and gravel glue. This is a 1 gallon. It says pour on, but you can actually pour it out if you want to pour it out. And it tells you the mix ratio. We're going to spray on, and it tells you right here, it says first coat and then second coat. And pour on and spray on is basically the same thing. Right here it says mix. So if you're mixing your gravel and your glue and all of that stuff together, it tells you the mixture right there. It says 1 gallon of glue to 1 to 2 gallons of water. So you can do that however you want to do it. Just make sure you keep with the same ratio. So if you use 1 quart, use one to 2 quarts of water. If you use 2 quarts, use 2 to 3 quarts. So always add that to the that extra ratio rate. All right, so they gave you a good range to go with. And yeah, so basically you can pour it, you can spray it, and all of that good stuff. You see anything else? Okay, there you go, right there. That's what you could do that with the really tiny gravel, just like with this one. If you mix it all together, get yourself a little spatula or something like that, and go ahead and make it really flat. I think this is cool. I might do this in the backyard soon, so stay tuned to that. And yeah, all right, skin contact wash with plenty of soap and water and all of that. So as I always say on my channel, make sure you wear your proper PPE. We have our gloves. It says above 68 degrees. We definitely above 68 degrees, you guys. We're about 80 something degrees today, so not worried about. All right, so just showing y'all the back so y'all can see for yourselves. I'm gonna do 1 quart at a time. I went and got 2 quarts of water. Okay, since this stuff is really thick, like very thick, but it's not bad. It mixed pretty good. I'm getting it everywhere, you guys. Very messy. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and start while the bee is here annoying me. After 48 hours, basically do the same thing. All right, now since I've been doing this, I would say do it to your liking. If the pebbles are not hard enough for you, put more down. Okay, so we will get back with y'all in 48 hours and I will let you know how hard that it got. By the time y'all come back to the video, had already mixed it and just go ahead and put my second coat. So yeah. All right, you guys, so we are 48 hours later and I have to say that I have to put down 2 coats. Okay, now the coat that I put down was very light, so as you can see right here is hard. Okay, well, once I get to this part, so this part, you can see that some glue is there, but then the glue didn't go down good on other ends. Okay, so you see some stuff is stuck. So you see there's a good chunk here that's stuck together. I have to put down more glue. Okay, so when you do it, make sure your first run is heavy. Now here is hard. So you see how hard it is right here? It's hard because I was doing some tests on it with the nozzle. I was doing a nozzle review and I sprayed extra glue on here. So even with the extra glue that I sprayed, it's still moving. So right now I'm going to spray a very good amount on here. Time for a second coat. All right, you guys. So we are 24 hours after the 48 hours and I'm going to just step on it real quick. All right, so it still feels like crunchy. It should feel like a rock. I'm pretty sure over here probably feel like a rock. I sprayed a lot. Yeah, so over here feels very sturdy here, but over here you can still feel like you going in. Let me see real quick. All right, so some rocks are still loose. Now I do still have some of the 1 quart, because remember the first one was 1 quart 48 hours, and the second one was 1 quart, but we still have some of that 1 quart left. So I'm going to spray the rest of this on here after I blow these leaves, because fall is coming, you guys. So a little bit of rocks moving. See, just a little bit. But I'm on turbo right now. All right, so it's okay. I think the thing is, and I'm gonna be honest, you should just do a 1-to-1 ratio. I did, what did I do? I did one, and then I did 2 quarts of water. I think I should have just did 1 quart of water, or I should just made it as thick as possible. I think that's what I should have did, and I didn't clean my tool, so my fault again. All right, you guys, this is the final review on the pebble glue, and I have to say it worked out pretty well. Don't go cheating. Well, we call it cheating, but don't go light on the ratio. If I was y'all, I would just go ahead and do the 1-to-1 ratio, but everything is good. As y'all can see, fall has finally came and leaves have been falling on the pebbles, and we have been blowing the pebbles. I be having the lights on and everything looks good. So the lights, the pebble, everything works out well. As you can see, the lights right there. And again, nothing moves. Everything is good. Sorry, buses right there. All right. So nothing moves. Everything is good. So yeah, and that will be it, you guys. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.